For the first time since January, new cases of COVID-19 are rising again across America, driven by the highly contagious BA.2 subvariant. That Omicron stealth variant is also spreading overseas. Shanghai has been locked down. Funeral directors in Hong Kong are overwhelmed.
That's probably the worst situation that I've ever seen in my professional career.
England is also seeing a dramatic spike in new cases. Hospitalizations and deaths are rising too. The top White House COVID-19 expert says while cases are increasing in America, the next major wave is still months away.
It is likely that we will see a surge in the fall. These are uncharted waters for us.
Cases are up almost 60% in Washington, D.C., affecting some of the nation's most powerful players. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, Attorney General Merrick Garland, and Commerce Secretary Gina Raimondo. At least 53 lawmakers, staffers, and journalists tested positive after attending last weekend's annual Gridiron Dinner. U.S. President Joe Biden did not attend, but has had close contact with some who now have the virus.
Despite all of the precautions we take, and even with the president being double boosted, he could still test positive for COVID.
The White House is urging Americans to get booster shots. An independent study showed COVID-19 vaccines saved 2.3 million lives in the U.S. and prevented 17 million hospitalizations. But less than 50% of Americans have been boosted.
The vaccines are just losing their effectiveness. That's why you're seeing so many infections, even in vaccinated people. But what you're not seeing is as many deaths and hospitalizations.
While many Americans have grown tired of trying to prevent COVID-19, others are keeping their guard up.
I believe that it's not over yet, so I'm continuing to wear my mask.
Dr. Fauci says COVID-19 is here to stay, with more variants coming. And he says vaccines may become a yearly event, similar to getting an annual flu shot. Jennifer Johnson, Global News, Washington.